Well, this is part 2 in a series where we're trying to demonstrate how to take the design from gCADPlus and put it into SketchUp, make the free version of SketchUp. We left you at this point in the previous little movie, and we now want to start building our 3D model on this as a base. I would suggest you go to Window and Default Tray and Show the Tray. That pops this up. Particularly important to get the layers up, and you'll notice my current layer is Image. I'll make the current layer 0. If I select the image itself, can you see down in the entity information, it's on layer Image. So the concepts are exactly the same as they are in gCADPlus. You use layers for good effect, or to good effect. Let's now start tracing. We'll go into Plan View, Top View, and we'll zoom extents effectively, and we'll go to the camera, take perspective off and go into Parallel Projection or Top-Down View. And you can start wherever you like, but for the sake of argument, let's start simply by putting in what will be a large hardwood board which will step into a paved area. And for that we could use the rectangle tool, but it's probably easier in this case just to use the line draw tool. So I'm just tracing over what will be this hardwood area, and the moment I trace over it, always get in the habit of coming back to the pointer. And now let me use the hand tool and just pan across. Then I want to do the same on what will become the paved area, and it's exactly the same approach. Just trace your way around, and notice how SketchUp's trying to draw the line at that angle. We want it at a different angle, and you need to zoom in a little. You can zoom out and then zoom back in. And remember, we're trying to get a quick, cheap way of building a 3D model without too much complexity, so I'm not going to concern myself too much with a phenomenal degree of accuracy with this tracing. And remember, I'm in this tool here, so there, zoom out, there, and back here, and close it. So now we've built a closed surface. So if I select that surface, what I suggest you do is to create appropriate layer names, and I've done that here. So if we turn on the layer that I call zigzag paving, and then the wooden rounds layer, the steps layer, the hedge layer, the deck hole layer, and the deck itself, and then the house layer, you can see our model is taking shape.